Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your market understanding with eTrade, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your eTrade account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Research tab located in the main menu. Here, you'll find a variety of resources including market news, insights, and analysis. Select the Market Overview section to access the latest market trends and data. Browse through the available reports to gain a deeper understanding of market movements. Next, explore the Stocks and ETFs section to find specific stock or exchange-traded fund information. Use the search bar to enter the ticker symbol you want to research. After selecting a stock, review the performance data, including charts and historical performance. Now, let's look at the Education tab for webinars and courses. These resources are designed to enhance your trading knowledge and skills. Enroll in a webinar that interests you and take notes during the session. Once you've finished, return to the Research tab to apply what you have learned. Exploring the Market Insights option will provide you with expert commentary on market conditions. Check out the economic calendar to stay informed about upcoming economic events. These events can greatly influence market trends and stock performance. Engage with the eTrade community through discussion forums for shared insights. Remember to regularly review your portfolio to stay aligned with your investment goals. By utilizing these resources, you can effectively upgrade your market understanding. Be proactive about your learning and make the most of your eTrade experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.